I'm very excited to see that a lot of you in such huge number are present here with such energy and excitement. You are the real future of India, and I hope that you will get inspired by the words of our great
a very rare, a very great occasion to meet our leaders in person, to hear from them, to hear their insightful words. It's a rare occasion. We are happy to have you here, sir.
इस ऐतिहासिक पल को हम हमेशा याद रखेंगे.
We will remember this moment forever, not just in our cameras, but in our minds. The picture of two great leaders in front of us.
Technology, and since you all know, what do you mean by technology? Technology is the application of...
Ladies and gentlemen, for being such a patient and disciplined audience, our Raksha Mantri is here and he will be joining us very soon. Before that, let's continue with our next distinguished speaker.
समझ में आता है हिंदी में बोलो इंग्लिश में सारे वाह नाइस मोटिवेट so maybe this is our Vikram 1 this is going to be launched this year it will be the first company to basically launch a high payload launch vehicle so then this is the Vikram 2 and this is the Vikram 3 so after successful launch then we will be going for this they will ask okay how much does the satellite weigh what is the weight of the satellite. If they say 300 kgs, okay, you can put it in this. If they say 500 kgs, okay, you can put it in this. If they say 800 kgs, what is your weight? Probably 40, 50, whatever, right? We're talking about 3 actual carbon fiber. It's a very expensive material and very light material. It is probably 3 times to 5 times lighter than stainless steel and on the top 3 times to 5 times stronger than stainless steel. But again 10 times more expensive. So again, so these are the on the engine. Yeah. So engine नहीं है. ये dumb.
Okay. So there is a bad germ called plastic. This germ when affects you gives you malaria fever. So the bad germ is plastic.
Vigyan Vaibhav.
Especially the Science Expo. Science Expo है कुछ इंटरेस्टिंग
ప్రొటెక్షన్ చేయడానికి.
By 2035, and a land anywhere or more by 2040. The journey of Indian space program continues to grow to the current generation, Muhammad Ali and the humanity.
Chairman of Telangana Council of Higher Education to the States.